Euphrates. I can't spell it. I can't say his name very well. So, okay. Not a big deal. He did a good job. He was able to plan his ride around that. Okay, interesting point of view. We got a corner coming up. Are we going to low side? There it is. There's the low side. So when it comes to cornering, low sides happen so much because people put themselves past their limits trying to keep up with friends, or they have bad tires, or there's road surface hazards. There's a lot of things that are in our control, and there's a lot of things out of our control. So we can only really control the things in our control.
A fault that is primarily caused by target fixation.
All right, target fixation, that's another problem that we have. Target fixating can be useful. You want to fixate on what's important. That's really what it is. So he fixated on that debris, I think. I think he fixated on that debris. Yeah, that's a no bueno. Remember, corners, we're in orange stage. We find out that there's an issue because it's dangerous in these areas, so we need to slow it down. Uh-oh.
What hurts? What hurts? What hurts?
Rescue.
Goddamn thing. My shoulder. Oh, man.
His shoulder hurts. Okay.
I asked you, are you okay? Like
he's able to do that.
It's nothing like that, right?
That's good. Oh, but he's guarding. You see how he's doing this?
Oh, my back hurts.
So probably collarbone.
Bro.
Probably collarbone.
Oh,
he says his back hurts.
Where's my bike? I don't know. Bike for right now. You feel like what?
Just you see this?
Please, just for a minute, just sit down.
Arm weight. I think he broke his collarbone there. I had a dislocated sternoclavicular joint, and I felt heavy. Oh no! We weren't paying attention there. Look, he's gonna look at us and not pay attention. That's an interesting point of view, because you saw how the rider slid all the way back and fell off. Easily back pain, easily back injury, and then the leg. I hope the rider's okay. Ensure your own safety. A little grom. Hopefully you're able to pick it up. Oof, got himself out of there. All right, here we go. We're going through here. It's a corner. Not a lot of room on either side. Shouldn't have tried to rush it. Look at it. Watch. As soon as he hits, it grabs and spins him around. Okay, you're not going to just always slide. You're going to hit the ground and then possibly flip around. So now you have injuries to every single portion of your body. And that's why you have full gear, because you have elbow, shoulder, and then you have back protector if you buy the back protector, but then the helmet will hopefully protect you everywhere else. I mean on your head. Anyways, driver on the road side. Okay. Wrong side of the road, buddy. Just interesting. Uncommon thing in a common situation. They recognized it, so you don't just gun and go into that. Superman for 5 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens. It's probably something pretty cool to see. Oh, hit those. That wasn't really 5 seconds, but it looks like we're on a track. like a track and field track. Oh, the bike is stuck on top of him. Oh. Imagine being trapped underneath the bike, but you're down the hill. Cool Breeze rider, always Cool Breeze. What are you doing, man? You're like riding with a lot of people that get into these crashes. Cool. All right. Is this like car sign language? Just move on. I don't know what's going on here. It's kind of confusing, huh? It's a little confusing. So when things start getting confusing, what does that really do to you? Orange stage. It's like, my gut says something different other than I'm hungry all the time. Almost sandwiched by a car and a truck. No good. Don't be the meat in a car sandwich. Ooh, got a little close there. So what were we doing here? Well, we were lane filtering a little bit, but we found an escape path. And that's what's important. We could have hit the truck, we could have hit the car, but we found an escape path. We pixelated, filmed with the camera. Look how close we got. Oh, very close. Found the escape path. Oh, he's on the phone. Can't do anything about it. Sun in the eyes, watch out. That person was switching lanes, probably didn't see you. Not a big deal. Giorgio and Christian Romero, yeah, became a member.
Yavaş yavaş aynana bak, aynana.
Here we go, Jamie L. Harding. Okay, here we go. We got a little bit of road surface hazards, and we dumped the bike. Looks like he's got full gear, so we're doing fine. Hopefully no real bad injuries, nothing here. It's gonna be mitigated because he's a smart rider. Acquire and utilize personal protective equipment. If you want to be a smart rider, take our course right now. Join the academy, $4.99. Become a smart rider. Know what it means to be situationally aware, maintaining your skills, and then also what kind of gear to get. $4.99 plus so much more. All our videos early, all our books in PDF form.
Yeah.
I don't know why more people aren't joining. Don't know why. Why? Why? You guys are all in here clicking that like button, signing in, but you're not joining the academy.
What's this stuff?
Officially.
I have no idea. Yeah.
Don't know why.